Good morning. I went to Oklahoma City, or south of there yesterday, and picked up this Schmidt air compressor. It's a skid mounted unit, and I know Smith makes one similar that's on a trailer. I don't know if this German company makes trailered models or not. I haven't done enough research, but it's basically a Ford 302 V8, and this bank runs the motor, and this bank compresses air onto the other four cylinders. I was told it works. I don't know yet. Didn't pay that much for it. But the issue now is getting it out of my truck. So we have the jib crane in the shop. You can get the light. That can definitely handle it, except when you put a load on it, it wants to swing back on its arc against that east wall. So what I need to do is have a helper, and then I need to run a chain so I can make the arm stationary to pick the load up so I don't have an industrial accident. It has forklift skids or pockets for it, so that's a plus. The hour meter has 900 hours on it. I don't know if it works, so we'll have to try to get it started and see what happens. Pretty simple engine, so we'll see. That's it for now.